going on? Just got done building a shelf, I guess. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Shelf for an AC unit. Figured I'd give you guys a look at it, see what I do. Check out my welds. Let's check it out. This is what I do all day. Dropping the dimes. Well, what do you think? Can I weld? Am I good enough? Do I get your approval? You tell me. I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, supposed to be getting the metal in today for my frame jig. So pretty soon I'll have that made. Once I get that made, put my car on the frame jig, start building the roll cage, 4130 chromoly roll cage. I can start doing sheet metal work on the back, basically cutting the whole back of the car off, putting those quarter panels and rear tail pan on, and get it all done, and you know, all the cool fun stuff. So just waiting on building that cage. So once I get that done, then it's time for the engine. That's when the magic happens. That's when everybody's gonna start paying attention. Or not, probably not, but that's when it's gonna be the most fun for me, because once the engine's done, then it's time to drive it. So anyway, I just figured I'd give you guys a little update, and all I'm doing on my car is cutting rust out, patching it, and all that stuff. So it ain't done yet. So once it gets done, then I'd actually do a real update. So I just figured I'd show you what I do all day. That's about all I could come up with for a video, but hope you enjoyed it. If not, I don't care.